In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notion widget to desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download the Notion desktop app so the widget becomes available on your computer. First, head to Notion's official website and navigate to the download section. You want the trusted source to make sure the app and its widget features work correctly and stay secure. Once you're on the download page, look for the Notion desktop app option. This is the key requirement because the widget relies on the desktop app rather than the browser version. Next, simply click the Notion desktop app download button and follow the prompts on your screen to download it. Your device will usually detect your operating system automatically, but if you see options, pick the one that matches your computer. Keep an eye on your downloads folder and wait for the file to finish downloading before you proceed. If your browser asks for permission to save the file, approve it so the download can complete. When the download finishes, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Just continue through the prompts, agreeing to the terms and selecting the default options unless you have a specific reason to change them. Your system may ask for permission to install. Go ahead and allow it so the setup can proceed. This process is straightforward and only takes a moment. After installation, launch the Notion desktop app. If prompted, sign in and let your workspace sync. This step ensures everything is connected and ready for the widget to function properly. The desktop app gives you capabilities you won't get in a web browser, and that's what enables the widget on your system. Once the app is installed, you'll be able to get the widget. The option becomes available through the desktop app and your operating system's widget area, and you can follow any on-screen instructions that appear to add it. If you don't see it right away, make sure the desktop app is open and up to date, then give your system a moment to refresh. A quick restart of the app can also help if the widget doesn't appear immediately. That's all there is to it. Go to Notion's official site, download the Notion desktop app, follow the prompts to install, and after downloading, you'll be able to get the widget on your desktop. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added convenience the Notion widget brings to your workflow.